Let's look at the solutions of modern maths bites. In school A, 40% of the students have taken science, 25% have taken commerce, and rest have taken arts. Okay. So A has a split of science, commerce, and arts as 40, 25, 35. In school B, split of science, commerce, and arts is 20, 50, and 30. The ratio of number of students in school A to those in school B is 2:3. Okay. So 30, 75, and 45. I'm working with the assumption that A has 100 students, B has 150 students. That is how I'm operating. Okay, Noori has taken arts. So Noori is one of these 80 kids. Noori has taken arts, one of these 80 kids. What is the probability that Noori is from school B? Probability that Noori is from school B is 45 by 80, which will be equal to 9 by 16. So option B. In how many ways can the word Natasha be arranged such that a vowel does not start the word? When you look at the word Natasha, there are three A's here. There are three A's here, and there are four consonants. So all you have to think of is, if A is not coming here, what is coming? One of the four consonants. Which consonant is coming? That will be identified in 4C1 ways. Now you have 6 blanks and 6 letters that can be rearranged in 6 factorial ways. But the problem is 3 letters are repeated. So 3 factorial. See, the thought here is, in the first blank, I'm filling a consonant. Which consonant gets filled? That is identified in 4C1. And the remaining letters get rearranged this way, which will give you 4 into, let's see, 6 factor 360 by 6. So, sorry, 720 by 6. So 120. And you will reach 480 as the answer. Another way you can potentially think of is, the A's have to come in the remaining 6 spots. So let's identify the 3 spots in which A's are coming. That can be done in 63 ways. And then you have 4 blanks, 4 distinct consonants. They can be rearranged in 4 factorial ways. This will give you 20 into 24. This will also be equal to 480. This is the beauty of modern maths, or PNC in particular. There are multiple ways to reach the answer. You can either come by this way or by this way. In either case, of course, answer D is the right one. Next, 3 distinct numbers are randomly chosen one after the other from the first 7 natural numbers. What is the probability that the 3 chosen numbers in the order of the selection are in an AP? Okay. First, let's list out what possible APs are there. APs with common difference of 1 will go 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, and 3, 4, 5, and 4, 5, 6, and 5, 6, 7. APs with common difference of 2 would be 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6, and 3, 5, 7. And APs with common difference of 3 would be 1, 4, 7. So if you count, you have got how many APs? You've got 9 APs. 9 APs out of how many total numbers? 7 natural numbers. They can be identified in 7C3 ways. 7C3 is equal to 7. Sorry, not 7C3. What am I doing? Because we are considering the order of their selection, it will not be 7C3. It will be 7C3 into 3 factorial. So we'll get 7 into 6 into 5 by 6 into 6. So cancel. So the expression you're left with is 9 by 7 into 6 into 5. This gives us 3. This gives us 2. We are left with 3 by 70. And then you can go ahead and mark C as the answer. But if you did that, you would be wrong. This is wrong. And this is one of the most basic traps that are given out in such questions. Nobody said the common difference had to be positive, no? If you took the same three numbers but in reverse order, common difference of -1 will also work. Common difference of -2 will also work, and common difference of -3 will also work. The same series, instead of looking at it 1, 2, 3, you can look at it 3, 2, 1. These three numbers are also in AP. So you not only have 9, you don't really have 9 APs, you have 18 APs. So what you're actually dealing with is 18 by 7 into 6 into 5. So cancel 3. What we have is 3 by 35. Correct answer to the question is option A. Hopefully nobody was smart that right in the beginning, before watching the entire solution, went ahead and became a keyboard warrior for the video. But okay, let's move on. In a room, there are 2 more ladies than the number of men. Each man shakes hands with every other man and offers a rose to every lady. If the number of handshakes is 25 less than the number of roses given, find the number of men present in the room. Okay. Let's say the men present in the room were X. So the women present in the room will be X plus 2. So number of roses given out will be X into X plus 2. And number of handshakes will be XC2. This would be the count of handshakes. 2 men shaking hands with each other. We are told this is 25 less, so I'm adding 25 to it to get to x square plus 2x. xc2 is x into x minus 1 by 2. So I'm adjusting that straight away. 2x square plus 4x. So I get x square plus 5x minus 50 is equal to 0. Or x plus 10x minus 5 is equal to 0. Of course, the count of men cannot be negative. So x has to be equal to 1. Number of men in the room has to be equal to 5. Next question. 7 equidistant points are taken on the circumference of a circle and named A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. How many convex polygons can be drawn using these points as vertices of the polygon? Okay. Because these points are on a circle, anytime you pick up n points, they will necessarily be a polygon. That is not a problem. But what is interesting here is, in order to make a polygon, you need at least 3 points. So you'd have to do either 7C3 plus 7C4 plus 7C5 plus 7C6 plus 7C7. You can do this counting, which is perfectly all right, not a problem. You would get 35 from here, 35 from here, 21 from here, 7 from here, and 1 from here. So 35 plus 35 is 70, 70 plus 28 is 98, 98 plus 1 is 99. You get 99 from here. Or the other thing that you can potentially do is, see, in terms of series, what is missed out? 7C2, 7C1, and 7C0. Hopefully, you know, this entire grouping together adds up, gives me 2 raised to the power 7. NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 plus NC3 plus NC blah, 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 up until NCN is equal to 2 raised to the power n. So you can also go down this path of 2 raised to the power 7 minus 7C0 minus 7C1 minus 7C2, 128 minus 1 minus 7 minus 21, or 128 minus 29. Again, we will reach the same answer, 99. Option D here. Both these ways are pretty much acceptable here. Hopefully you learned something. That will be all for this episode. Okay, bye.